You are so lucky you clicked on this video, because today, I am going to teach you something that no one is using on Instagram, and there are huge chances of your reel going viral. So make sure you watch this video till the end and use this effect as beautifully as you can. You must have seen various cinematic frames on Instagram reels like this, or even this. But today, I am going to introduce you to a new and cinematic frame which I have discovered myself and no one is using it right now, which is this. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. Now let's begin. Open the VN application. Click on this plus icon. Create a new project. And select Stocks. Now click on this black image and import it to your project. Now click on this option and select 9:16 for the reels ratio. Now go to the trim option. Click on this timer and set the duration based on your song length. And simply click on Done. Now click on this media icon and select Stocks. Now import the video you want to place in the middle. Hold and drag it to the center. You will see these white lines indicating that you are exactly in the center. Again, click on this media icon and click on Stocks. Now import your top video. Hold and drag it to the top. It will try to get stick on the toppest part, but try to bring it down a little, touching the center video. Again, click on this media icon. Select Stocks. Now import your bottom video. Similarly, hold and drag this video touching the center video. Make sure you leave no gaps in between. Now, select the center video and search for Mask tool. Here, select Rectangle. Now, use these right and top-down arrow to scale the frame. And stretch this arrow to increase the roundness of the corners. Please make sure you leave some extra black space on the sides so your video does not touch on the ends while you upload. One more thing. If your video is not showing inside this frame, simply click on the rectangle again to invert the mask. Similarly, add the mask to your other videos. Spend some more time and try to equalize the gap in between the videos. Export the final video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.